Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss
Beatrice,
author of.
young calf.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
This is my first experience and this is my debut book. I feel very excited. I feel very thrilled. I'm coming from Chennai. Traveled all alone, and then here I am. I feel very excited.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your book and who it's for?
Yes, definitely. It's for the age 5 to 9-year-old children, and I've written this story, and it's a pretty beautiful story. But all the images have been done with AI. Okay, so it's like I feel it's a pioneer thing. So the entire book has been done with an AI, with the help of AI. So all of the pictures have been done with the AI. So I feel very happy, and doing it for the first time and being a pioneer, I feel very glad about it.
Now using AI comes with its own set of challenges. Like what are some of the biggest challenges you faced writing this book?
See, writing this book, I mean, it took a very short time, okay? But generating the images took a very long time, which is like I had to waste almost nearly 300 to 400 images just to generate 60 to 70 images. So it was, I could say like it was a lot of hard work and dedication.
Wow, I think the AI model itself by now would have been trained to, because you've fed it so much information, right?
Yeah.
So, what is one piece of advice you want to give budding writers and authors in our community?
Dedication, and with all your confidence, just dedication alone will work. Right. That's the thing for me.
Thank you so much for sharing that. Thank you so
you.
much for sharing your experience. I hope you have a wonderful book fair. Thank you.